Hello everyone. I am Dr. J.Selvi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Physics at Ma College, Madurai. Today we are going to see about a topic microwave oven. Let's see about the introduction of microwave. Microwave is a line of sight wireless communication technology that uses high frequency beams of radio waves to provide high speed wireless connections that can send and receive voice, video, and data informations. What is microwave oven? Microwave ovens heat food using microwaves, a form of electromagnetic radiation similar to radio waves. Microwaves have three characteristics that allow them to be used in cooking. They are reflected by metal, they pass through glass, paper, plastic, and similar materials, and they are absorbed by foods. Let's see about what is then electromagnetic radiations are. There are different types of electromagnetic radiations is there. The electromagnetic spectrum is a range of all the types of electromagnetic radiations. Radiation is nothing but it is an energy that travels and spreads out as it goes. One among them is a visible light that comes from a lamp in your house. Next one will be an radio waves that come from the radio station are two types of electromagnetic radiations. The other types of electromagnetic radiations that make up the electromagnetic spectrum are microwaves, infrared light waves, UV light waves, X rays, and gamma rays. This slide represents some of the examples for these types of electromagnetic radiations, starting from radio waves, buildings, microwaves, humans, infrared, needle point, visible, and ultraviolet to gamma rays. So let's see about microwave. A microwave oven is a kitchen appliances that uses used to us to heat and cooks food. Microwave ovens convert electrical energy into a form of electromagnetic radiation called microwaves. Microwaves are radio waves with frequencies of about 2500 megahertz, and the radio waves at this frequency has an important property characteristic food particles that contain water, fats, and sugars. It will absorb this microwave radiations through atoms and molecules of food, and absorption of this radiation gives energy, make the move significantly and collide and produce heat for heating and cooking. Microwave oven works by passing a non-ionizing microwave radiation, usually at a frequency of 2.45 gigahertz, through the food, water, fat, and other substances in the food and absorb food, water, energies from these microwaves in a process called dielectric heating. Many molecules water are electric dipoles, meaning that they have positive charge at one end and the charge at the other end, and therefore rotate as they try to align themselves, and this rotation put them into motion which creates a heat. Now, how does a microwave oven cook food? Microwave oven selectively make the liquid, that is a water content, to become hot, Most food, even when we consider some dry fruits, it will have some water in them. Water is a polar molecule with two hydrogen atoms being more positive than the single oxygen atom. As quick observation to see, microwave oven generates electromagnetic waves that is called as microwaves, which makes water to move. Next, this microwave causes molecules to vibrate. This vibration creates a friction among one another. This friction produces the heat that cooks the food. What are all the advantages of microwave oven? It saves time and energy. It is safer than general fuel stoves. Taste of the food also remains the same. If properly used, microwave cooking does not affect the nutrient content of foods. It also reduces the consumption of oil. Thank you.